I'm really excited to be able to share one of the best traffic sources that I have ever revealed for free. This is one of the largest websites on the internet, and I'm going to show you how to use it for traffic generation. Let's go to the website. You've heard it before. It's called Flickr. It's an image-based website, but did you know we can use it for traffic gen too? So this is it. It's flickr.com. It's a free-to-use website. They do have an upgrade version, but you absolutely don't need to get that. So let's real quickly verify just how much traffic is on this platform for you. So if we go to SimilarWeb, we can see that it is one of the biggest, most popular websites on the planet. There you can see the global rank is 294. So out of all the websites on the internet, this is the 294th most popular website. In the USA, it is number 240. If we have a look at the traffic, there consistently, it's getting over 70 million visits every single month, and it's dipped down slightly, just ever so slightly in the last couple of months. And the average at the moment is 65 million visits a month. And that is consistent. That's amazing traffic. If we have a look at the traffic by countries, 28% is from the United States. This is very profitable traffic to have. 8% from the United Kingdom, 5% from Germany, 4% from France, and 3% from Canada. Let's have a look at the traffic sources before we go ahead and start using this, because there is a very specific way to use this for traffic generation. So 48% direct, 9% referral, 31% from search engines. What does that tell you? It tells us that if we optimize our content in the right way, which I'll show you how to do, you will be able to rank content in Google and other search engines. Now, in a previous video, we looked at how to optimize content to get ranked in the Google image search engine. Now, this is no different because, as you know, the potential search from Google Images is enormous. So you can use Flickr in that way too. I'll talk more about that in a couple of minutes. But if we go down to that search traffic, 99.9% is organic. Let's check out the social media traffic, 9%. And look, it's no surprise that Pinterest is bringing in 46% of that social traffic. Facebook, 25%, YouTube, Twitter, and Reddit pulling in traffic as well. So let's go to the website, sign up for a free account. I've already got my account, so I'm just going to log in and start showing you how to use this so you can start driving large volumes of traffic to your website for free. Okay, so as soon as you log in, you will notice that you have an all activity feed here. So it's pulling in some of the best performing images on the platform. I mean, check this out. So this image has got over 4 million views, just under 5 million views, 300 comments, 6,000 faves. So imagine if your content was featured here. Imagine how much exposure you will get for free. Imagine how much traffic you can get to your websites. I'm going to show you exactly how to use this for traffic generation. It is really simple. So if we scroll down further, you can see that everything on here, all the featured images are high traffic. This one has got 8 million views. And we could just spend all day scrolling through this page, and all of them are absolutely crushing it. So how do we really use this for traffic gen? Okay, the navigation bar here, if we click on groups, it's going to show you the groups that I am a member of. Now, this is only one way to use traffic. We've got another way, which is possibly even more powerful. But let me show you how to use groups first. So here you can see that I'm a member of marketing groups. Now, if we go to the search bar, we can type in any niche or any topic that we can think of. So I'm just going to search for marketing, and then I'm going to choose search groups. Click that. Here are all the Flickr groups related to marketing, and some of these have got high volumes of very targeted traffic in them. So if we go down here, we can see that this one has got 200 members, 100 members, 180 members. So no matter what niche you are involved in, you will find relevant groups here. We've also got some options on the right hand side, so we can hide inactive groups. I'm going to make sure that that is checked. Make sure that you have checked that, so we're not wasting time with groups where there is no activity, where there's no hope of siphoning traffic. And then we can order the data by relevancy, or we can go by name, activity, size, oldest, newest. So let's go for activity because we want to find active groups. And here we have Church Marketing Lab. This group has got over 6,000 members. This one has got over 1,000 members, 2,000 members. We can order it by size as well. Click that. And there, this one has got 88,000 members, 86,000 members, 17,000. Now, when you structure the data in this way, you're not necessarily going to get relevant groups. So instead, the best option might be to go for activity instead. And that way, you're going to find large groups that you can join, take part in, and post content on, but you know that there is a sizable audience too. And that's very important. So let's say I want to join this group, Successful Online Marketing. I'm going to agree with the rules. And now I have joined. If we go click on that, here we can see we have got people posting discussions. So you can click start a discussion here, put in your title, put in your post, preview it, and then start topic. Let's go back. Let's see what other people are posting. Go with the top one here. And okay, that seems to be a little bit spammy. Maybe this group isn't well moderated. Let's join another one and see what's going on here. So here we can see that the most recent discussions, well, how to grow your business through search engine marketing. And there you have it. So someone has posted a piece of content here. They're linking to their website. Now that seems to be acceptable in this group. Then group description. Make sure that you read these descriptions as well. So you make sure that you are going to contribute content that is relevant to the group. So in addition to that, so you've got the discussions there, but here we can have a look at members. So here you can find like-minded people. There you can see me because I'm one of the newest members there. But there are other people who have got the same shared interests. So you might be able to use this for lead gen if you approach it in the right way. Okay, so let's use this to drive traffic in a different way. So here you have a profile icon here. So click on that. Now let's go to your profile. This is going to be pretty interesting because here you can see that I've already added a couple of images here. Now I think it allows you to upload 1,000 for free. Let me check that. So yes, 2 of 1,000 images have already been uploaded. And these are really just some YouTube thumbnails. If we click on this, for example, so all I did to do this was click the upload icon there. If we click there, we can drag in any image. So let me drag in an image for you. Just for demo purposes, I'm going to drag in an emoji there. So I've pulled in an image. I encourage you to use original images, perhaps photos that you've taken or images that you've made in Photoshop or Canva or hired someone to make images. I think that's really important to success on this platform. So here we can edit the description here, and remember that this is a form of optimization. So the image is going to be indexed on Flickr, but also on Google Images. So people searching those keywords that you're going to add in here should be able to find your image and then click through to this page. And from this page, we will then be able to link to your website. So let's click on this section here. So here we can change the headline. So I'm just going to put in, for demo purposes, keywords here, and then description. We can add in more keywords here, plus a link to your website. So I'm just going to link to this page here, profitcopilot.com/traffic, for people who are serious about traffic generation. Then I can add tags. So I can put in traffic, web traffic, digital marketing, that's good. I can add people, add to albums. So here with albums, I can create a series of images. This is going to help build authority. So if you have a specific series of content, perhaps you have an SEO series, you might want to add relevant images to an album and have each of those images linking to a relevant piece of content. And we can also add to groups. So here we've uploaded an image, but we can now send that to all these groups if we want to. And now if we click on that, here in the description, we can see that it links to my website. Now, if you are serious about getting traffic to your website, head over to that page and I will give you the entire series completely for free. It's going to show you all the traffic methods that I never reveal on YouTube. So get it for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, and hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me. And I will hopefully see you again in a couple of days' time. Take care.